So the water drops. Let's go into, I'm going to take my gray. Now, the trick with the water drops is you're going to use the darkest value on the area you're on. So if you're on this, we're going to use the gray because that was what it was shaded with. If you're on the green petals, you're going to use the dark green one. So pick an area where your water drop is. And I'm going to make mine, I guess I'm going to go in the lower right corner and do a little C stroke. It's a little tiny C stroke. And then on the top, I'm going to do another one. So this is like over the hill and under the hill is what I call it. So I'm not changing the direction of my brush. The paint is down and the paint is still down, even though I went over it. Not that you can see it very well. The paint is down and the paint is still down, but this one goes under and this one goes over. If I want to do it on the leaf, start with that dark color. Paint is down and the paint is still down, but I'm going to go over so they meet each other. Now on the flower, you take the white, the snow white, and I'm going to put the paint up inside that one and go under this one. Tap it with my finger. For the leaf, go with the light green. Paints up, go into that little C and under this one. I seem to have lost my little bit of gray over here. I can just go back in and widen that out. Lastly, I'm going to take my liner brush and I'm going to put some of the white paint on there. And I'm just going to add, anyways, put a couple dots down here in the gray area. And then we can put a couple dots down here. Area. Okay, so I put the dark on this one goes up into the circle. It goes below the bottom of the circle. Dark goes up, dark comes down. Dark goes up, dark comes down. And then I go back with the white, put the white in the bottom of the circle and over the top. Bottom and over the top. Piece of cake.